very much. The CEO for Insurance Regulatory Authority, Alhaj Kadnabi Ibrahim Rubega, for making time to come and launch these awards through this press conference. And then the partners from Insurance Training College and the Insurance Brokers Association and the Bankers Association, as the CEO has mentioned. And the media, it's very important that you come and cover this, so we thank you for turning up. My name is Moses Asasira. I work with the Adroit Consult International, and I'm here to represent the consultant. But on these awards, we are not working alone. We are working with a very serious support from Insurance Regulatory Authority, where they have formed a committee that is supporting us, and that committee is headed by the DMD, and who is giving us very good leadership amongst others, including the communication department, and Marcos Erimo, who is not here. I'm going to walk you through the roadmap for this year's awards. As the CEO has already stated, the awards will be next year in March, but we have started the process early. We started the process in the month of November, and right now we are doing the launch today. He has talked about the issue of opening up the space for the awards, because the awards last year were only 7, and we are opening it up to include I'm going to share these ones with you for the people who are not taking notes. We are opening up to add 2 more categories. For instance, the People's Choice Awards, because last year there was a call and an expression of interest. People out there were saying they needed to vote. Here people are going to vote for the insurance company they think is the most responsive to the needs of the market. And also another category that has been added is for Insurance Media Personality of the Year, because we must recognize and add you, the journalists that have been supporting this industry over time. We are therefore not restricting the awards to products necessarily, because we are also going to include the most innovative. I think if I can consult here, we are looking beyond the products that have been introduced on the market to look at things like technology that the companies are introducing, and the market looking at sectors that are currently being covered that maybe were underserved in the past. So other than that, I'm going to take you through some of the parameters of analysis that we will look at. I will start with the most innovative insurance life. This one we are going to look at things like customer-centric and client value. We shall look at originality and award all those, utilization of technology, design and distribution models, and potential for increased stock scaling up. Those are some of the parameters we shall look at under that category. The most innovative insurance broker. This one also we shall look at customer-centric and client value. We shall look at originality, and we shall look at industry achievements by the broker. We shall look at approach to client service and retention, then contribution to innovation, and the utilization of technology. The awards for 2021, we are looking at strictly the products that had been introduced on the market for the last 18 months. And I think we are going to take the same approach. We shall be looking at products that have been introduced in the market for the year 2022. So something that largely falls within the year of 2022, because as they have already announced, the awards are going to take place in March of 2023. So in March of 2023, we are going to be looking at what has been largely done in the year of 2022. Under the most innovative bank assurance agent, we shall look at customer-centric and value addition to the client. We shall look at originality of the product that has been introduced. Remember, in 2022, that is the around 12 months. And then market coverage and market approach that the bank assurance agent would have taken. Then, of course, utilization of technology and strength in collaboration with other sectors in the industry. The most innovative insurance agent, we shall look at customer-centric and value addition to the customer, the originality of the innovation, stroke idea, growth operations. If it comes to that very approach that has been introduced to a product, then approach to client service and retention, and then approach to service delivery and utilization of technology. As CEO has already indicated, we are in an age that insurance is fast tracking the utilization of technology, and that is why it is common in most of the products that we are talking about. Then there is InsurTech of the Year, which is under the category of all insurance players and InsurTech companies. We shall look at, this is a new one this year. We shall look at relevance to the market, and then the users of the service, system design, under that very stakeholder, solution to increasing efficiency and effectiveness in the market, and then scalability and integration possibilities of new technology platform. And then security is the last evaluation criteria we shall look at under that very product. This one may interest you because it is Insurance Media Personality of the Year. We shall look at relevancy of what you are covering, if it is writing or reporting on TV and radio. We shall look at reach out, stroke outreach, the things that you are putting out, how far they going, and then content analysis of the things that you have been writing about or reporting about, and then impact and sustainability of what you have been reporting about. Then the People's Choice Award, as you know, here, this is a democracy. We normally call for votes. We are going to put out a link that will be shared on social media so that people can vote for the insurance company of their choice. And then we shall tally the votes and see who is the most voted when it comes to People's Choice Award. So this will be about companies, the different insurance players, especially companies within the sector. Then every time we do analysis of the results and applicants that have put in their applications for these awards, also the judges look at the paperwork and look at how we have evaluated the different players. And then at the end of the day, we also are going to call the top 5 of every category. Supposing 10 people or 10 companies apply for a certain category,